Tesla Giga Berlin footage hints at upcoming deep blue metallic paint rollout. So I was actually reading this article, and I've been obsessed with car paint for a while, and specialized car painting, automotive painting shops and so forth for different brands and different color paint offerings depending on region, and the amount of expertise and specificness to it. Like I went down a rabbit hole one time and I became obsessed. I think I told you about it with one particular BMW color, liquid metal.
Yeah.
And then obviously lamenting the fact that when it comes to Teslas, you just really don't have that many color options. And I'm going to be honest with you, there's none of them that I really like that much of the current color offerings.
It's very chromy. It's very shiny. There's a lot of like metallic flakes. Can it just be like a flat color?
They don't have a flat color.
They don't, yeah.
Even though flat colors have kind of taken over.
Yes.
They become extremely popular.
Even the white has like a speckle effect.
Oh, you got speckles.
Yeah, if you look closely.
Which, listen, to each their own. Like, it's fine. I know in the past, Elon's been like, look, we got to simplify this thing. But anyway, ever since they got Giga Berlin going, they got the legit stuff going on with the paint. And most famously, they were talking about this Midnight Cherry Red, which is a very, very deep red. And they're also talking about this new Quicksilver color. These are cool stuff going on. The blue, on the other hand, is not exactly new. Go to that image. Go back to because I'm excited about that one, where the people are standing in front of it, just so we can see it in real life. Yeah, that one right there.
That's really nice.
Look at that color, dude. Now, I don't know how metallic. It's going to have its own shimmer stuff going on. And, of course, you got Elon Musk's mother driving it over there. But it's like almost black. It is a deep, deep red color.
In certain lights, it's darker and lighter. It's really cool.
It's a cool color. And anyway, so you can get this. This paint is actively going on at Giga Berlin, I think. And also this Quicksilver color, which is like it's kind of like a dark silver. And Tesla hasn't done silver in forever because silver is extremely hard to paint. And I read a bunch of stuff about it. It's the reason why that liquid metal from BMW, it was like a special order and it required all types of extra coats and stuff. But the Quicksilver is sort of starting to look like it a little bit. Anyway, the blue is the same blue we always had. They just started doing that in Giga Berlin as well.
Yeah.
And so that's just another option that people can order. But I'm curious, Will, if you go to Tesla's website, the German website, which colors are you seeing available if you try to spec one? Because it must be different than ours at this moment.
Stores in Germany. Shop?
Yeah, you just have to change the region on the shop, right? You just got to go over there to Europe and then select.
Which one?
Right there, Deutschland. Right there. There you go.
This one right here.
Sorry, Will. So now we're in German. You can translate the shop to English if you want, but you might not even need to. You might be able to navigate without even reading. See?
I'll have to go back here. Okay.
There you go. Now let's spec our Model Y. Go ahead. Configuration.
Y. Okay.
You're on it. You were there already. See, they show it in the red.
Oh, okay.
They show it in the red. Now let's order it. Let's see if we can get it in the silver right now. We can order it up. Just scroll down to colors. So yeah, it's there. Midnight Cherry. It will cost you 3,200 euros if you want a Midnight Cherry. And if you want the Quicksilver, 3,000 euros. So the Midnight Cherry is the most expensive. Is blue a premium for them there? Blue is going to be 1,600.
So they don't have the gray, the Midnight Silver?
Well, I believe you can get rid of that one if you add the Quicksilver. I think that they're going this direction instead.
Gotcha.
But it's exclusive, I think, for the time being over there in Europe. I want to import one of those.
That's cool. Yeah.
Which one do you like better, by the way, the red or the silver?
You know what? I actually do like the red. Not a big fan of red cars in general, but this red is kind of nice.
Look at you. It's way better than the red that we're getting in North America at the moment. Which is, I don't know, it's like
a crimson red?
Less deep red. No, it's less deep.
Yeah.
You remember. We had the red Model 3 early days.
Yeah.
It wasn't not as cool as the deep cherry. Mm-hmm.